Dear students, we have already read the poem Help Me to Be. And in this poem, there are some exercise work also. Today, we shall solve the exercise work. Just you should see in class 3 chapter 1, the first chapter is Help Me to Be. First question is, get this prayer by heart in rhythmic way. In last video you have heard the poem and I think you must have memorized it. Now we should come to question number 2. Question number 2 is, answer the following questions. Question number A. Who is eternal and gracious? Answer. God is eternal and gracious. Question B. Why does the poet want to be curious? Its answer is, the poet wants to be curious to know about the world around him. Question C. Why does the poet need help to be prepared for? Its answer is, the poet needs help to be prepared for the challenges he faces each day. Question D. Why does the poet want to be determined? Its answer is, the poet wants to be determined to complete his work. Last and question number E is, what for the poet asks help to be aware? The poet asks for help to be aware of his talents. So in this way, question number 2 has finished. Now we should come to question number 3. You should see question number 3. Question number 3 is, match column A and column B. In this question, there were 2 columns and I have matched the column. First part, which is in black, that was in column A, and the words, those are red, were column B, and I have made sentences after adding column A and B. Now answer is ready for you. A. God is eternal and gracious. B. Several challenges I face each day. C. For talents, awareness is necessary. D. Determination is essential to complete the work. And E. I want to be curious about the world around me. In this way, there were 5 sentences in this column A and B. Now we should come to question number 4. In question number 4, question says, make one sentence from each word. 5 words have been given here: curious, task, responsible, kind, aware. First word is curious. Its sentence is, he is curious. Task, he is doing his task. Responsible, you are responsible for it. Kind, my mother is kind. And aware, they are very aware. You can make your sentences yourself, and in this way you will learn more and more how to make sentences. Now we should come to question number 5. Question number 5 says, write the superlative forms of the following words as given in the example. One example is given here, that is good and best. As you know that adjective has 3 forms: positive, comparative and superlative. And here you have to write the superlative form. So we should come to the solution. In black question is written, and in red letters answer is written. A, fast. Superlative degree of fast is fastest. Poor, poorest is means poorest is the superlative degree of poor. Rich, richest. Richest is the superlative degree of rich. Now we should come to D. D says white, whitest. In the same way, tall, tallest. Long, longest. Short, shortest. These are the superlative forms. Question number 6 says make words adding self or selves. Example is given, my plus self equal to myself. In black letter question is written, and in green letter answer is written. Our plus selves equal to ourselves. Your plus self equal to yourself. Your plus selves equal to yourselves. Actually in singular it becomes yourself, and in plural yourselves. So in plural words we add selves, because selves is the plural of self. So when it is singular, that time it is yourself. When it is plural, that time it becomes yourselves. In the same way, him plus self equal to himself, her plus self equal to herself, it plus self equal to itself, them plus selves equal to themselves. Here our and them, these are plural words, so we have added here selves, and your, him, her, it, these were singulars here, so we have added shelf in these words. In this way we have completed this very chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.